What? Hello? Ah. Testing, testing. How does my voice sound? Yo, good. Sweet. Let's go. Hey, what's up? Hey, Ben. Good to see you. Right, so back to work on SRPG F2 today. I'll probably be doing more work on the battle system, and I misjudged time a little bit, so we may end up going for the 2 hours like normal. But yeah, we'll definitely be done in time to let people get out and see the Nintendo Direct. So got that post a few other places. Second. One more. All right, let's get going. It's on the screen. Don't need that quite yet, actually. Good to hear him. My audio sounds good. All right. So, back to work. I'm trying to think of where I left off. I've been doing some work. Oh, bitrate's getting hit a little bit. 1 minute. No, I get that down. I think my face is broken. 1 second. Wouldn't be much of a stream thing without technical difficulties, wouldn't it? 1 minute. Why is my face broken? There we go. All right. So let's see. Holy crap! What is going on with the bitrate? Hot dang. Hang on, give me a minute to figure this stuff out. Oh, this? The wallpaper? This is from Final Fantasy XIV. I just have a bunch of wallpapers from different artists and games I like on a cycle. I don't remember specifically where this is from. It's just one of the ones I found. But yeah. I gotta figure out what's going on with the bitrate because that's like unusable. Put things I don't need. Whew! This is gonna be hard to stream. Close some stuff out. All right. Let us know. Frick me! As soon as I start, actually playing an editor, it just whacks that frame rate. All right, let me restart the editor. Yeah. Is that the phone? The phonic device went off, but I can't find it. There we go. Sorry for the technical difficulties, fellers. There we go. Did my face break again? Come on. Come on. I'm just trying to get to work here. I guess I'm stuck. This might be okay. Right now I'm trying to fix the bitrate, so. Frick me. There we go. That's a little better. All right, battle. He's still not working. Come on, boy. I know you can do it. There we go. All right. Okay, battle system time. Let's first try to make sure that stuff is working. Yeah, apparently it's working now. Dialogue's okay. Alright, see 7 triggers battle? It does not. Did I disable that? Oh yeah, I was testing out some other stuff. I forget what I was testing out here, but let's figure all that. Play battle. Oh yeah, I need to change this too. Do it at once, so just so that straight everything. Alright, so we want to use the Stream RPG battle system and example encounter. That's 8. Yeah. I can't trigger. Alright, I can't trigger attacks. That's what I need to work on now, is being able to trigger attacks and stuff and things. All right. Let's go find that battle system. So in blueprints, subsystem, battle system. It's been a little while since I touched this, so I have to kind of familiarize myself with it again now. All right, so we have player turn start. Move the camera to the player. Actually, you should name these turns. Move camera to turn member. Get player commands. And right there. Okay. Alright, then we queue an ability and select a combatant. Is space to confirm? I think space is to confirm on attack. Or 8. Yeah, but it doesn't do anything. Alright, let's try editing that. Combatant selecting. Right, because that's not doing anything. Oops, we go. Confirm. Call on confirmed. Confirm target lists. We need to get the target list right. Well, with this, we're only going to be selecting one, so cycle available targets. Target highlighted, and we're going to get. Is there a get? We should probably use a get available target, right? So we can grab whichever one is currently highlighted in case we're only targeting one at a time. Get single target. Wait, it'd be better yet, get current target single. That knows if we're only targeting one person. And look at their current index. New return node. Oh yeah. This will be who we're targeting. I can get rid of some of this stuff we don't need yet. Oh yeah, I've changed out how some of the subsystems and stuff work. So I'll have to update that with the battle system too. Anyway, put that back on there. All right, cycle targeting methods. No, we just want to confirm. We just have to confirm the target list. So, oh wait, right. Get valid targets. Oh, we're not getting a valid target. Oh right, because I did that wrong. Get current target. Well, I can simplify this. Get current target. And I need to make that a pure. And we'll make an array from that. Perfect. Then when we hit confirm, it'll set this guy as the target, confirm them as the target, and then we should be able to execute the ability. Take him out. One thing I don't like about the new version of Unreal is that the error messages just hang out until you click to dismiss them instead of fading out. That's annoying. So, anyway, unconfirmed. I believe that should be all I need for this. Yeah, unconfirmed. Sweet. I don't know why this is giving me a note, but okay. Final targets. Call confirmed. Yeah, that looks okay. Don't crash on me now. Or if you do, I'll just reload. So it's okay. Do. No. Pause menu. Okay, there we go. Attack. All right, I see. It's going. Okay, that's right, because it's running the impact and then it's starting the next person's turn. So it's perfect. Now I just got to make sure the impact actually runs an animation. So now I get to set up some animations and stuff. This should be fun. All right. Yeah, what does this use? I forget what I'm using with these enemies. Battler enemy. I don't really think I need these, but I guess we'll work with them. Yeah, I don't want this crap. Who needs this crap? Get rid of that. I actually might use the other stuff. But the point is, here's what we're going to do. Go into combatant, and we'll add a new action animation, because this is where we'll get our attack animation from, which I think I already have one. I don't. Okay. Do I have the attack animation sequence? Let's see. Add-on systems, or to be other animations. Probably need to change like the core framework. Animations. Oh man, my attack animations are gone. I'd probably go and start a content, I wouldn't. Animations. Ah. Forgot what I was looking for. I'm looking for game assets. What the heck? There we go. We got attack animation. I could make a new one. That might also work. In fact, let's go ahead and do that. I think I have should have control rig in here, so let's just go ahead and make a new attack animation. Why not? Sounds like fun. Control rig in there. Let's go, boy. Can I animate with control rig? Sorry, I'm just bouncing around some folders right now. So let's see. Animation. Oh, sorry, sequence. We'll just call it attack for now. Oh, yeah, you can't really see my timeline, can you? I prefer having the full screen available, but I guess it does kind of not work as well when you want to have a timeline. Let's work with the timeline for now. So, love control rig. Animating right in engine is so convenient. All right, so now remember, this is how we're running it. How attacks are going to be, at least the way I'm setting them up in here, is that the root of the skeleton's root is set to right in front of the person they're attacking, and so you need to play their animation with that in mind. So in this case, they are going to be set right here, so we need to move them back to have the animation of them coming forward. So this is probably good enough. And then the attack, and then it should end about right there. His foot! Animated the wrong thing. Yeah, I should animate in world space for this. So, swing and a miss. I'm doing some of this stuff quick, so, and it's going to be from, most of this will be from like probably a farther back perspective, I'm not sure yet, so I can keep some of this animations quick and simple. I actually set up my own control rig that actually had a much faster way of controlling hands rather than these boxes, so, which I can also do this, I guess. I do miss that, but gotta have him holding a sword or something, right? I might just go ahead and do the keyframes and not do much in between because that'll take a while. So, yeah, I think that's a good initial pose for an attack. Let's go about halfway through. Oh, frick! I removed his movement. We don't want that. He needs to still be moving, jumping around. Yeah. So about here. Turns. Starts the swing. Probably disable snapping. Ah, frick. Go back, go back. Woo. Look at that. Dabbing him to death. That's a real man. There's no need to have him hop, though. Yeah, about halfway through. No, where's his... Oh, frick, it's hiding. That's not the best pose, but should do for now. And then have him swing. Which means his arm will need to be over here. And probably turned. Ah, go back, go back. My head's probably like barely moving because I'm so focused. That is quite the arm pose there, buddy. Oh, that's why. This thing's gotta go back. No. Just be a full arc. So because naturally we'll be attaching his sword to his hand, so there we go. Swing. That's an awful swing, but it'll work. Look like he's taking a step, but kind of. Nope. Put it back. So yeah, have him step. Oops. Is that the one to... No, it's not. Go back. I think that's the one I want. Nope. That's the one I want! Ah, there we go. That is a fricked up foot. My brain is like not working on how to do this right now. Needs to go up, 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 up. Let's try and fix that foot. No, if he's like this, that foot needs to be back. Right? Man. I use free animations, but there aren't really any good ones, quite for what I'm going for. Which means when he gets here, this foot needs to be forward. Yeah. And this foot needs to be dragging behind a bit. If either of my artist animator friends saw this, they would be having like a heart attack. I see either. It's multiple. They'd be like, "What are you doing?" So, foot up. And then this foot should like follow behind it. In fact, this foot should be up too, shouldn't it? Because it's following through. How does that just really quickly look? Needs to bounce a little more, I'd say. Try again. I need to turn more. This is so bad. This looks awful. This animation is just the worst thing. I want to see if I can get someone else to do some quick, better animations for the final thing. But I mean, it'll do for now. It's give him a little more of a bounce. Curve that foot a bit more. Oh man, what an... Oh, look at that broken foot. He bounced and then he'd go up. Up, up. You know what? Does it suck? Yeah, but I'm sticking with it for now because it's kind of the... I'm trying to get stuff done for the moment. I can fix this later. Are you auto king? I mean, oh no, am I auto king? No, I'm manually setting this. I haven't familiarized myself with how auto king works typically if I understand what you mean, in a sequencer compared to like Blender or something, but I don't really seem to like it that much. Oh well, point is, that'll do for now. Have him like that for maybe a few seconds, then have him return to the base pose. Only, we don't want him way back out there. So we'll do that one. So, oh, we'll fix that arm thing at least. That's why, because his, oh, what is his, what do you, I forgot what that's called, but it shouldn't be way over there. Pole arm, that's it. It's controlling his elbow rotation. Where is that? I can't find it on here. There we go. There we go. That's a little better. And that'll do for now. Alright. Let's see. Big animation sequence. Yeah, we'll put it in the starter content folder just so we can reuse it and or so I can. Yeah. So here's actually another thing I'm throwing around the idea of. And I depend on if Epic actually lets me do this. I don't know if they'd remove this, but I'm kind of liking the idea because one thing. One issue I found with the Super RPG framework being a blueprint project and not a plugin was that I can't. It's harder for me to reuse it among multiple projects or reuse the code. I have to copy and paste stuff, and so if I make changes, I have to copy and paste it more. Now, I'm not going to list this as a new product because I don't want people to have to pay for it again. And you also need to have some C++ in your thing in order to make it code, or sorry, in order to make it a plugin on the marketplace. And I don't want to have any C++ because I want this to be accessible to people who use blueprints. But I am throwing around the idea of maybe including, basically zipping up the actual framework part of the core code into a plugin folder, and then including that in the content folder, so that you could get, when you get this, you can download it and it'll be a project file. And you can have the source and stuff, but then inside of the content folder, you'll also have essentially a free plugin version of the framework to go along with it, so that you can just unzip that, put it in your Unreal 4 directory, and then you can just have RPG framework as a plugin to turn on and off and reuse code back and forth between. It's an idea. Depends on if I can get away with it. It's also gonna mean it'll double the size of the file, so. Any updates will be twice as big. But it's an idea. I need to get more water. One second. Oh wait, my water's right here. Never mind. Yeah, because the way I'm designing, as I pointed out, the way I'm designing the framework is to be, because the way the first version of the framework was designed was that essentially it was a proper template project. I'd have the template and then you could modify the code and whatever as you see wanted. The way I'm trying to design this is almost as like an engine within Unreal Engine, an engine for RPGs. It has some starter elements, but that you can get started with, but it's also meant to be a framework, like just give you the tools you need, and you can build on them how you want, and then reuse that core code over and over again. Anyway, that's kind of my idea. Let's see, starter content, animations, combat, combat, attack. I should probably specify human. Combat attack. I should probably specify as a turn-based attack too. Turn-based attack. There we go. All right then, back to the normal testing map. I'll probably work more on this stuff outside of the streams, just because I mainly want to stream the actually making the fun parts of the game, like the story in the areas. That'll be more fun to work on. Alright, where's the feller? Here we go, Battler. Back to Battler. Oh, we also have to make that animation a montage, don't we? Let's go, let's go! Starter content, animations, combat. Any Trails fans in the chat, I wonder. Animation montage, turn-based attack. Yep. Please tell me you baked correctly. Good. He's kind of hovering on the ground, but that works. All right, and animations. Animations are pretty simple to set up. You just have one, when you're using an animation with an ability, you just have one notify you really need to worry about, and that's this, action impact. And this will be whatever action you're using, whether it be an ability or an item, whatever. As soon as it hits this, it'll run the impact trigger, which you can set up the logic for yourself, what happens when it impacts. Oh man, look at that arm go. Whoa! That's gonna look so bad when I attach a sword to it, but the point is, it's about right here that it hits, right? So, maybe one more. I think I need to, change up how the ability trigger works as well. So, Alrighty. There we go. Now, we'll set up an action animation. We'll call it turn-based attack. And now, whenever we use the attack ability, it should just trigger that. As long as we all have it. Yeah, he has it. So, let's go back to the battle system. Q ability, attack, or miscellaneous attack. And yeah, we want to set it to action tag because we want to queue it from there. So yeah, when in an ability or an item, when you use, I mean, this is just, if you use the old version, this is sort of similar to the action, I think it was battle action or something was called, or battle info. I don't know, something like that, where you'd be on abilities and items. I've cleaned it up a little, made it a little simpler, but you can set stuff like who it can target, the logic behind the targeting, which this is mainly be for like deciding, okay, are we targeting one person, or are we targeting all the characters? Are we targeting an AoE? Whatever. So that's the targeting logic, and we have the animation type. We can get it from a montage, which will be this, or an action tag, which we just set in the action tag in here will be attack, and then it'll pull it from the combatant's action animations, so it'll pull that in that case. So now, let's see what happens. I imagine it'll not... Let's see if it actually plays. Attack. Yeah, nothing. So let me see what's up. Why it's not playing. Battle stream. Execute action. We set our targets, and we use an action, which is, yeah, this one. Which we got the action from... I gotta clear some of this stuff out. The action should have been gotten from here, yeah. Queued action, which happens when we queue an ability. Yeah. Set up properly? Yeah, action. Oh, well, first of all, this is a death check. We don't need to install that quite yet. But the point is... Alright, let's break this out and make sure it's actually getting the right animation. Yeah, print string out, just make sure it actually can see. We're using an action tag. So get action animation. Yeah, I forgot I can just do that. So it should print out the name of that animation we're using, which is the attack one. Attack. It didn't print it, so it doesn't know there's an animation. So what is all this? Get stat value 1. I don't think I need to worry about this stuff yet. Yeah, I won't worry about that yet. Well, let's make sure it's... First of all, it's actually getting the right action tag. Something. Yeah, attack. There we go. Get out of here. So, what do we got? So we got the right action tag, which means it's calling this correctly. But I did set it to, yeah, call from an action tag. Get action anims. Let's go. Let's go. Nope, nope. Attack. Yeah, it doesn't like that. What the heck? Oh, I know why. Because I don't think I'm using battlers for them. I'm using the normal, Get out of here. I'm using... Yeah, the default player. I need to set... I think I need to set up a sequencer. Or so that you can play a sequence on an ability as well. I forgot to do that. All right. Okay, he played the animation. Like, I'll actually eject, and so you can see. I was not doing anything. Never mind. Because I'm unpossessed. But if you can kind of see him there, if I hit, yeah, see? There he does the animation. So now I just need to make sure it moves him to the right point and plays the animation. So yeah, how do I want to do this? Save. I could make it just a new function. Hang on. Or event custom on ability execute. Or sorry, not ability, on action execute. I think I already have anything for that, right? We'll need an instigator and the actual action itself. Instigator, which will be the combatant, and then the action. Combat. Oops, no. Action. Combat action. There we go. And then we'll say it here. Action execute. On action execute. Oops. Compile first. On action execute. I'm not sure how I feel about this though. This feels a bit flimsy, doing it like this, but I'll give it a shot. I feel like I could be doing this better. Man. Okay, well, we'll see. Now I'll just have that to use. Then I can customize it per combat, so we'll say on action execute. Event on action execute. So yeah, we'll get owner. We'll need it on action complete as well, because what we need to do is we need to save where their current location, then set them to the in front of the whoever they're attacking, and then reset them to their saved location. So we will need a right here custom on action finish. Actually, they'll just basically be the same as action here. On action finish. I just realized this should have also been an action blueprint. Oh well, we'll stick with this for now. I'll change it if I feel like I need to. Finish on action. Because the thing is, I don't know if it's going to be able to still get these variables out after, after like a few seconds. There we go. Should be execute the action, then run this when it starts, run this when it ends. Which means on action execute, get actor location. I think I got the mesh location last time, didn't I? I just changed where their mesh was located. I could do that. Oh, I need to get the targets as well. That's right, that's right. Loop combat targets. Because I need to know where to stick them. What the crap? What's wrong? I know what's wrong. Active targets. Boop-a-doop-a-doo. As long as it works. Yeah. That's... Yeah, that's kind of how it is. Hang on. On action. Execute. What's this? No. What is the problem? Notify you referenced by parameter targets. What are you talking about? Right here. Does that? I don't know why it's giving me this note. Will not return parameters targets. Why not? What's the problem with the targets thing? Targets? Maybe just target? Same problem. Get out of here, Java. No one liked you. Alrighty. On execute. Well, let's just see what happens if we get it. We want to get the leader, because that'll be the one we're going after. Owner. Also, he should be a character. I think I'm only allowing you to use characters, so... You know, we'll go with mesh. Get the... So we'll set them right in front of the mesh. Get world location, and then we'll say get forward vector, because we want to get a little bit in front of the... Actually, do I have a shortcut for that? Vector in front of actor. Haha. But, I need to do this, though. Actor. It's always nice making shortcuts for your own stuff. Alright, so get vector in front of actor. Oh, I don't need to do this. Hang on. Back to work. Okay, so yeah, I can just get vector in front of actor. We'll say, try 100, I forget what the measuring units are, but 100 units in front. Well, actually, we'll get oops. Get actor location. Saved. Battler. Awesome. Saved combatant location. We'll make it private. We don't need anyone else getting this. So we'll save it, and then we will set actor location of the owner to right in front of whoever they're going after. That is copyrighted music. I mean, that's copyrighted music that I don't know if I can play. So, got to change to something else now. Good song, though. Good song. No buts. One of the openings to... I forget what it's called. There we go. That's better. Engine. Magical Index. There we go. That's the... That's something too. Yo, Cloud, what's up? Good to see you. You finally made it. Just working on some setting people during the battle system right now. All right, so yeah, we're gonna set. Actually, we'll even call it that. Set attacker in front of. We might also want to change this so that this only. Ah, man. Yeah, I probably will need some sort of like notification thing that I can stick onto the abilities to be like, hey, if you have this notification, this tag, then do this thing. Flags. I have something like that for menus where you can set flags that do certain stuff. Yeah, anime opening. Hopefully it was only like 3 seconds, so. They might leave me alone. Anyway, set attacker in front of target. I will also need to change this once I do multiple targets because we need to know where to set them. That should be right. Now we'll just have to say on action finish. Yeah, so on action finish the instigator. We just need to. Or no, we just need to set them back to where they were before. think should be get get owner. I could still see some issues here depending on how we rotate the characters, but for now, I think we'll be okay. So let's see. Return combatant to previous position. And then, see how it goes. Attack. Yeah, it worked. It did work, but I just realized I need to set a variable in the attack thing that can determine the blend rate of an animation, because we want it to be like to snap right to the position it needs to go to. So let's pull that up. Oh, nice. Thanks for checking out the previous one, Fud. Yeah, so I brain farted. Right. You need to go add a new variable to the structure, combat, battle voice, combat action. A new variable for the animation. Please don't crash the engine. You can crash it a little later. For now, hold on. Animation blend time. We'll call it blend time. The default's like 2, right? 0.2 seconds. So now we just need to get into where is it? Blueprints, actions, ability, combat action. Uh-oh. Action. What the crap? Ah, selector's right. Oh no! I'm an idiot! I changed the... Go back. Fix that. I am so dumb. Why did I do that? I clicked on the wrong one. I changed the ability selector. We need that still. Animation. Blend time. Not ability, the montage selector. Please work. Okay, that's fixed. Now we just need to grab out the blend time. Do I have nothing for blend time? Play rate. What? Wait, can't you set blend times in montages? Can you seriously not set blend times in montages? What the crap? Why not? Why can't you do... I don't want them starting out way like... Oh, man. Okay. Do I set that in? Oh, maybe I don't need... Maybe... Do you set that in the animation? Let's go see. Can I just edit from here? No? Okay, no. So all of this music is from, I will show you. Legend of Heroes Zero no Kiyoseki. I believe the English title is Trails from Zero. All this music, like I've said this a few times, but it's from Neon Falcom, and they have a really nice music policy where as long as you like credit them, I think are not like monetizing their stuff, you're pretty much free to use their music and whatever, and they're not going to come after you. They're just going to let you do it, which is really nice. But yeah, so most of the music I use is from Falcom stuff, usually the Trails games. Specifically the previous track, let's see, Highway Trading Company, which means it was from Volume 2. It was this one, Ravash & Co. Alright, so let the bet go. Anyway, end time, play rate 1, start time. Come on. Rate scale, blend in. Here we go. We want the blend in to be, which means since I'm getting from a montage. 1 second. I don't need this. I will need to restart the engine though, because I know it's going to crash. But we'll set that to 0.1. That should be enough. Try to say everything I imagine it won't crash the engine. Okay. Well, let's see. Maybe it won't crash the engine. Yeah, there we go. Hey, look. All right, so I think you got it working. Attack, moves him in front, and then snaps him back. Boom. Now, I will need to crash the engine in a second here though, because I need to add something for sequences here. I'll probably need 3. Sequence. Asset. Action. I might want to change this from montage to, because I want to reuse that as a way of selecting. So we'll say combat action anim type. Combat action anim type. Sequence type. So you want to be able to sequence. I think it's a level. Is it a template sequence? No, a template sequence you use in another sequence, right? Yeah, that's what you do. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. I think it's a little loud. All right, so level sequence. And then if we don't want to use that, we want to use a tag instead. Yeah, combat action anim type. I'm gonna change the name of that. My brain though. My brain just farted. Action anim type. I just need to find that. Okay. This should be an enumeration. So, man, I really need to restructure this too. I've been thinking about this recently, and I'm kind of wanting to keep most of the systems in this very modular, so everything is kind of organized with the system that it functions as a part of. So, combat. Where that at? Where that at? Action and action anim type. We'll just say action. Selection type. We'll call it selection type for now. Montage. What will be montage if it's a combatant action? Call it what's better? I mean, what do you think makes sense? Like, what would be best to call this to, like, say if you put it at this, you're like, oh, okay, that means I need to get the action from the combatant rather than from the. Oh, that's easy actually. Asset and then combatant, and that would be source, or combatant action. We'll call it combatant action. Selection, type. So yeah, this asset means you get it from this asset. In fact, since it's from a, we'll even say that from the. Use asset and use combatant action. Combatant action. We'll just call that combatant action. Asset. Combatant action. That should be good. So now we can give the level sequence we want to play from there or from there. Alright, I think that's okay for now. Alright, combat action. Well, we want? Figure out how I want to play sequences like parallel to this, but sorry, so select. Use asset, and if not, then let's grab our good old combatant. Man, we need. I need to set a new something for that then. Action animations. Sorry, action sequences. I guess I did something for this too, right? Yeah. Although, I'm wondering if it would make more sense to play the, to attach the sequence to the montage itself. Not that I'm 100% sure how to do that, but... What's the problem here? Hang on. There we go. It's still being freaking weird here, but I don't know. Can you attach the variables to montages? I can't remember off the top of my head. I don't know if you can, but... I don't think you can. Okay, that's fine. We could do a... I mean, we could have a variable where it plays a... We could... Or, sorry, create a new... Where is that? On the montage, I could always make a new notify to play a sequence. That might be better to create a... Nah, we'll stick with this for now. This good old... Anyway. Oh yeah, I'll need to recompile all the crap. That's the fastest way to recompile stuff? There we go. Use combatant action. Attack. Let's give him a good old montage? Whatever. Back to the animation map. Ah, there we go. That's what I was looking for. Good old crashing time. Stretch while I'm working on it. There we go. And we won't open them yet. We'll just content browser, control rig. We'll need action sequences. Ugh. Whoop. Wait a second. Camera animation sequence. Oh yeah, this is new with was it 25 or 26? But I haven't checked this out yet. Yeah, this is actually what I want, isn't it? Can I add other stuff into this, or is it I'm only allowed to add in cameras? Okay. 1 second. Okay. I may not want to use this, but Yeah, I'm just trying to think of how to do this. I should set up a dummy here for, we'll call it dummy enemy. Yeah, and it'll be where the enemy is positioned for when we attacks. Right about here-ish. Which means that'll be the source location for... Oops. Negative 150. For where we play our animation, which we can do. You don't want to constrain aspect ratio. And it's relative, correct? So we just spawn at a location. This is... relative, yeah. I totally forgot how I wanted to do these. Right. Let's give him the animation. Okay. Turn based. Yeah, that's all we need. Wait, does he not do the thing? Man. I honestly completely forgot how I did this in the old version, and I'm also trying to think if I actually want to still do it like that. But essentially, we just need to play out, like... Wait a second. Can I use template sequences? I guess I'm just experimenting now. Level sequence, template sequence. A movie scene animation that can be instanced multiple times inside a level sequence. Action sequence. Sequence. Oh, I'll fix it. Bound actor class. I don't know how to do this. What does this do? Man, I guess I should probably experiment more with this on my own time, though. But I need this for the battle system to work. Or not. You know what? I can figure this stuff out on my own time. For now, I'll just set up a... I'll do something different. I'll set up just a neutral camera, and then it'll... Hang on. And it'll stay to that throughout the battle. And then we'll just have indicators showing whose turn it is. Okay. Because I really want to figure out how that sequence stuff works, but that's going to take a while, and I don't want to spend too much time. I want to make more progress, because that's more useful. So, okay. Battle system, right? Yeah. Sorry, action finish. Mark these just so it's clear. Action start, action executed. So here's what we'll do. We'll add a new camera. That'll act as like the in battle kind of a perspective of what's going on. I'll throw this in just so I can try it out. Yeah, okay. Well, I do forget where I'm locating everyone, so... Sorry. Is that about right there? I'll also need to set the, ultimate to like 15 or something so I can see the battlefield. And no constraining the aspect ratio. Battler player. Yeah, I also need that. 8. Oh, but I don't know where the Actually, no, I can figure it out. So this is a good way for me to just try out and see where to put the camera. This is, yeah, we want to put the players behind. Maybe it looks something like Suikoden could work. I think that's a good position for the camera, wouldn't you say? Let me snapshot where it's at now so I can make sure to recreate it. Where am I snipping tool at? Snipping tool, come back to me. There you go. Alrighty. Maybe you've already said it to my compare. Yeah, I think that's good. So now we just gotta say... Oh, no, man. Yeah, this is fine. Non-turn start. On battle begin. Please, this is... Yeah, I need to figure out how to... Maybe I'll make these event dispatchers as well. Huh. Oh, I got an idea. I got a better idea of how to handle all that. You can call it... Oh, Falcom's music is so good. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to set up an actor component with event dispatchers that I can just click in here and click and they'll add them to this thing. Could also set up an interface. Nah, we won't do that. Because I want this used on anything but the battle system. So... Oh, I forget. Can you call event dispatchers? And I don't remember. Big brain. Turn based. All right. Turn based battle system events. Set in some events. On battle begin, on battle end, on turn begin, on turn end, on action executed. Most of this will just be copying some stuff we already did. Alright, it did on which is about action finished. I'll need an impact. On action impact. Oops. Combat action. Action. We need an action, instigator, and targets. I keep typing instigator. That's not what I want. Combatant. Combatant is the type of instigator that I want. Actors. No, not actors. Targets. Boom. There we go. I should be able to just copy the signature from it, right? I can't copy the signature from an event dispatcher? Lame. Okay. We'll just create a dummy one. Action dummy. Combatants. No. Oh man, neither of them worked. Action. Action. Instigator. And good old targets. Action dummy. Action instigator. Also make this private just so no one else can mess around with it. And on turn end, turn dummy. Okay. Now, one thing that would be really nice for actor, and if anyone knows how to do this, please let me know. It would be great. Is if actor components, if you could basically say actor components can only work in certain actor. Ow! I overbit with my jaw. Ah, crap, that hurt. I wonder if I injured it. The point is, if you could set actor components to only work inside certain actors, I think that would be great. My brain. So I could, for example, this events, I could turn-based battle system events, whatever. I could only set that inside this turn-based combatant component. On action, we'll get rid of this. I was about to say, not a YouTube friendly way though. But on call action executed. Wait a second. Is this looping? No, it's okay. Instagator. There we go. Oh, I need one for ability canceled as well. That's okay. On action finished. Not call it. We want to no, we do want to call it. Call. Bruh, Trails and Magic can't get here soon enough. I'm so excited to play that game. Persona 5 Strikers 2 comes out in like a week, doesn't it? That's gonna be a lot of fun. Ah! Call on battle end. On battle begin. Yeah, I need to get the turn manager. That's what it's called. What's it called? It's called the turn manager. Oh, I just realized something though. Can I just... Yeah. I just realized. I can't insert these. It's dumb. Let me insert my own event dispatchers. Let me use them. Okay. Get event. Turn start. Hang on. Call. And begin. I don't really need this, do I, then? I can get rid of that. It's redundant, because I'm getting the same thing. Even. End turn. Call on command. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that. Battle end. I will need this though. Let me set those. Alright, so we need a battle end condition and just a flag. The battle end condition. So you can decide what happens when the battle ends for like special battles and stuff. Flag. Shut up, phone. Name. Battle events. Give it something a shorter name. Battle end. Call on. There we go. Now we only have one place they're coming from. I think that's it. No, use action. No, that's fine. Battle begin. I'm gonna need to whack that phone. It's getting really annoying. Wait, what the heck? Did I have two of those? Oh no, it's this. No. All battle begin. Ta-da! Now we can just start popping those things in. Battle events on turn begin. It set as the active combatant. I may want to change that too. I don't know. It seems some of this seems like I'm overcomplicating it, but I'm not sure yet. That'll begin. Action execute. All right, let's get those in first. Action executed. Grab the together. There we go. Just skip this track actually. Skip. Limit Break, that's like a Final Fantasy reference, I think. Okay, so here's where we're at. Turn Begattle, or Turn Begattle. Let's just try it out and see. Oh, right, I gotta redo this. Even... No. Which means I'm gonna need to restart this plugin, or the editor again. Ah! End. Bind event on turn battle end. It's named the same thing. What's the problem? I don't know. Biffle. Battle end. There we go. So we're out. Since I edited this, it means we're gonna get a crash, but that's okay. Just need to finish up what else I got. I should probably do the same thing here, though. I also don't need to bind these because I can directly reference the turn manager. So, what's this? Battle events. Really? Again? I misspelled it again? Ah. And I need to set up the turn widget too, which I don't have one yet. There. Simplifying things. That's what it's all about on this channel. Making things as simple as possible. Now I just need to get into here and call that, so... Yeah. Turn manager. Events. Can I do this? Yeah, sweet. I love this. You can attach two things and it'll run the same thing on them. Epic, epic, epic. Turn manager events. That should be all I need to get this show on the road. Crash. That's right. I forgot. It's gonna crash. Because whenever you stick an action an action blueprint inside of macros, even though it's very convenient, it does cause the engine to crash anytime you edit it, which is unfortunate, but small price to pay for one of the best plugins. Definitely the best free plugin you can have. So, back to Vark. Did it crash again? Are you kidding me? So something along the pipeline's getting screwed. Alright. Fortunately, I'm able to narrow down specifically where it is. It's only happening when I start the battle, which means there must be something wrong with that action. I'm gonna pull this off screen actually. When it unfreezes. Give it another half hour and then I'll think I'll finish up. Was hoping to see if I could get actual like damage and stuff working, but if not, oh well. Do 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 do. Turn manager. Okay, bye bye here. Yes, this. Something along here does not like the way things are set up. That's all I can say. Let's see. Battle intro finish, that's correct. When the battle intro finishes, call this. Maybe it doesn't like me doing that twice. I don't know why it wouldn't, but we'll see. And it should only go out here once it, yeah. We'll even plug out the terminal so I can get directly from the what I just created. Okay, let's go. Nope. No, wait. Wait a second. Wait. Oh, nothing's happening. It didn't crash. I think maybe just nothing happened. Okay, well, hang on. 8. Yeah, play battle. Everything's working. Initialize battle. Update stage. Hang on. Event. So if there's no intro sequence, if there's not default battle, on battle begin. Oh, maybe it was the turn manager I'm using. I think that's it. Didn't get anyone's turn. Okay. Turn manager. Event. Yep. We don't need that. In fact, let's get rid of those. I did get rid of them. Huh. Okay. Well, actually, let me make sure I had them. Check where I set them up. So, turn end. And battle begin. We don't need the event tick. This is not an HEB. We don't need any event tick around here. Okay. I think that works. I didn't have to touch the action itself, so... No, it crashed. I did touch it. I just don't think I edited it, but we'll try again. Come on, don't fail me now. Yeah, baby. There we go. Ironically, I just got the game over music. But boom. Next turn. Ta-da. So that works. Now I just need to set the camera at the start of the battle. So come on, don't do this to me now. Let's go. There we go. Battle events on dismiss. On battle begin. Cut this out. Set view to target instantaneously to me. There we go. Let's see. Confirm, cancel, select combatants. Make sure it goes back to me when I'm done. Get our targeting method. Yeah, we don't want to necessarily... Oh, I should make up something for... make something for this as well. Target highlighted. No, we just want to turn something on them. But what? Hey, get in front. You know what's useful? Is having one of these to get to the right and get on top of someone as well. Get vector in front. Get vector above actor. Work the same way, but so we'll get up vector. And then we'll get vector right of vector. Or vector right of actor. Oops, right. Because then we can have a turn indicator that we can just set places. Oh, we should do this for component as well, though. Because that's what I want. Get vector above actor. No, yeah. No, we don't. We just need to get the actor. Get battle syst. Yeah, get active battle system. I'm using that one, right? We'll make it. We'll pop in here. Why don't we? Here we go. Back to the field. Like a cone. Hidden in game until we start targeting. How about that? No. That's for turn. Turn. No, that'll be for targeting. We'll call it the targeting cone. Targeting cone. Fancy name. All right. Cast. Get owner. We'll get vector above actor. We'll say 300 should be all right, and then get frick me. Cone. Get targeting cone. Targeting cone. Set world location. And we also want to turn it on. Set visible? No. Set hidden in game, right. Set it to not hidden in game. And targeting end. End. I do have something for ending targeting, right? We'll say unconfirmed or canceled. Why not? Probably not the best way to go about that right now, though. Whatever, I'll fix it later. So now that should turn the cone. Okie dokie. Let's see if that targeting stuff works. My turn. Attack. Nope. That's right, because I need to make sure it stays looking at the camera and the thing. Blah. Set view to battle camera. This will be a short fix. Which means I can just do that here. Cancel. Cast. Set view to battle camera. Please work. There we go. And once I confirm, nothing happens, because frick, why would it? Execute action. Am I adjusting the camera at all? I don't think I am. On cancel or confirm. Why is it freaking out? What is it doing? Ah! Put the camera where it's supposed to go. Frick me. No. Not that. Here we go. View. Yep, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know why it's changing the camera perspective. But it's not changing it back. Well, we can just make sure to reset it at the start of the turn. But that's not the most efficient way to do it. It shouldn't do it at all. Anyway. Yeah. Well, we got targeting and camera work kind of done. I kind of think if I should just wrap it there early. But unexecuted. On impact, that's what we want. Yeah, we need to damage every one of the targets, so... apply damage? I don't think it's apply damage, because we need to... Oh, yeah, effect. Apply battle effect. Oh, yeah, I need to apply them by type. Correct. Elements, effects. By trigger, there we go. That's what we want. I forgot it. Where'd it go? Apply battle effect, or apply effects, or action effects, not battle effects. By trigger, and we should get all, just get the actions again, and we should be okay. Yeah, apply all the impact effects at this point and kill them if they are... Actually, let's go ahead and add something in that, add a... what's it called? A print string whenever they get damaged so we can see what exactly happens to them, just to make sure they're actually getting the damage. In fact, we'll add a, I got a better idea. Big brain. Where is damage? stats, apply damage. Here we go. Print string. Get name? Not game name. Or we'll get it a self-reference. Get name. Get object name, and we'll append it. Append. Damaged and healed. And then the amounts. Why? Damage and then, I'm sorry. I'm gonna say new HP equals whatever their new amount of health is. Okay, and I'm guessing nothing will happen because I don't think I've set up any effects on the attack. Did it not do any damage? Yeah, maybe I don't have any set effects on the attack. Let's change that, make sure. Just like this attack. The attack needs to do physical damage. Yeah, effects. Physical damage normal, apply once on impact. Okay. Boom. He took no damage, and his HP is 0. Still. Well, at least I know the effect is going through. But I want to make sure he before I finish up, I want to make sure he actually is doing some damage. Let's close out some of this. Combat. Stat rates. Yeah, we want most of them to all C by default. Oops. Actually, you just need that. And then... Oh, right. I can't do this because well, actually... Because physical damage doesn't have anything that's driving from, does it? Hang on. I should make that starter all starter stuff. Oi! Alright, well, this is easy enough to fix. Blueprints. No, data assets. No, it would be blueprints. Battle effects. Let's create a battle formula. Effect. Battle effect right there. Normal, we'll call normal damage low. It affects HP. Oh no, instigator stat, HP target stat, physical offense. It affects damage type, normal damage. Do we not have a normal damage type? Whatever. Let's see if this works. We'll create a normal damage type. I think, we'll go ahead and try this and just see what happens. Miscellaneous, we just need to use that normal damage low. The one we just made. The physical defense would be. Although I do forget what, okay, 15 damage and his new HP is 0. So it does do damage. We've established that. I am hurting him. I did 15 damage there. Which it should variate, too, if I do it again. No, it's 6 to 15. Oh, I don't have a variance. That's right. I need a variance. max? Oh, that's a max percentage. Okay. Multiply by float. Variance. And this variance would let you basically decide how big of a difference between the amount of damage he does is randomized. So, damage variance. Call it damage variance. Do. 1 second. Okay, just making sure something's working properly. Now, close out that crap. We don't need some of that. All right, damage variance should be within 1. Actually, we'll set within 2. So that'll be 20% variance. So if I attack him now, 18 damage, boom. But he has 0 HP. I'm guessing because he starts out with 0? What determines their HP? It should just be their stat, right? Right. Oh, does physical defense not have anything? Because it should use a curve to determine what its stat value is. So yeah, it's C. Oh, it's not physical defense though. Hang on. I want health. You should have a ton of health to start out with. Yeah, even at level 1, he has 300, which I'll probably change. I'll make that lower. But, close. And now, yeah, that's working fine. I think just the enemy he's at level 1, which means he should have 300 HP to start with. Oh, wait, I'm not initializing his stats, that's why. Initialize metric stats. So now, attack. There, boom, up there at the top. You see that? 264 damage, and if I keep going, his new HP is 228. It's going down, 210, and it'll keep on going down to 0. Baby, it'll take a little more work to get death, or KO set up. So, I think I'll go ahead and wrap it up for today. So I've gotten some things done. Mainly, we got the full turn loop working. Now we've got animations. Wait, no. Well, we do have animations working, right? I just have to fix the camera so I can see them. In fact, I'll do that. I'll do that just to make sure I can actually see the camera. Is that view to camera? The camera's gonna be jumping around all over the place, but that's whatever. Attack. What is going on? What the crud is going on? I'm just, why is the camera not going where it's supposed to? Is it here? Is there something in here? No, set view to battle camera. Executed? Alright, I'm gonna do something illegal right now. Never ever do this. And I'm gonna change this right after it's done. I just want to make sure that the animation's actually working as it should. Boom. Well, okay, yeah. He's definitely bouncing around too much. So let me go and change that animation to have an instantaneous, like a snap. Yeah, spoke a little too soon, sorry. I just want to make sure the animation works properly, because then I can say I did one more thing correctly. Starter content, animations, combat, boom. Yeah, we're gonna set it to a 0. There may even be better ways to do that than whatever, but 8 attack, boom. Yeah, he jumping. I don't like that, but that's because it's supposed to work with camera angles. But hey, there we go. And I can just keep on attacking him until his HP reaches 0. I don't think he has any death animations in at the moment, but oh well. So hey, there we go. I didn't make as much progress as I wanted to, but hey, it's progress. So yeah, I'll be working on this more outside. I'll probably try to get some of the the basics of combat and stuff finished outside of streaming, just because I want to get to the actually making the game, getting on with starting from the beginning, working on the story, getting the scenes and events and stuff in, because that's going to be the fun part. So, but for now, yep, made some progress on the battle system. And now, I think that's a good place to... 1 second. Go ahead and, I think we'll go ahead and wrap up there. So yeah, thanks again, guys, for, joining me. I don't know about if I'll be streaming again this week or not. Mostly because I got some work to do on assembly as well. But definitely I am working constantly on trying to get this thing done. I said on the Discord that my plan right now is I am hoping that I can get SRPG F2 finished out by May. Obviously, I don't know if I'm necessarily going to get the example project out at the same time. So I may just include, kind of like I did with the original, just a single map and basic menus and the very, very basic stuff for you guys to play around in. But I will rest assured I will still be working on getting the game finished within a few months after that at most. But so yeah, I'm not going to say for 100% certain May, but May is the target right now. So, because I will be indisposed in June. I won't be able to work on the thing much, if at all. But anyway, thanks again for joining me. Look forward to talking to you guys on the Discord and seeing you all next time. So, yeah, catch you later, guys.